bands, grills, chains, moving nicotine, say fuck a fast meal. We got that white girl, so we make those grill checks. Fuck a white girl, talk ill neck, karate chop a grill, bitch I kill. Born from the center of a storm, all the boys rapping gums about how they're hard, bitch I'm harder. Martyr to the swag on the corner, beating girl up with the drums as the bass makes that bitch cold. Bass makes that bitch come.
Hey, could you turn me up some more? Right there. Or maybe I could. Yeah. Taylor gang. 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 You know I'm rapping Taylor. All that in Cali, so you know I'm smoking flavor. Ain't fucking with a bunch of baby, only smoking Davis. And I throw it up so they can know just what my game is. Motherfucker hater. Left the crib with 10 grand, bought 100 pair. I'm the coach, I can show you how to be a player. 5'8" is the fitted, bitches love my hair. Camo shorts go with anything I wanna wear. They let me in the club, fuck the dress code. Me and all my niggas rolling up the best smoke. OG Kush from the West Coast. Oh, you down the fuck? Shorty, let's go. Diamonds in my chain, niggas trying to steal my lane. Chronic in my brain, bitch, I'm reppin' Taylor gang. Smoke till I'm insane, drinking till I'm throwing up. Only papers if you Taylor, nigga, throw it up. High socks, low cuts. Smell that good weed, then you know it's us. That yellow car pulling up. Them niggas ain't high, so they ain't close to us. Down the fly, get 2 fingers and hold them up. Taylor, yeah. Taylor, gang. Taylor, gang. Taylor, yeah. Taylor, gang. Taylor, gang. Taylor, gang. Taylor, gang. You know I'm rapping Taylor. All my way from Cali, so you know I'm smoking flavor. Ain't fucking with bunch, you know we only smoking Davis. And I throw it up so they can know just what my game is. Motherfucker hater. Bought a crib like Scarface's, this is my world. All my niggas down the bank, but we could try words. Smoking ounces to the head till my mind twirls. I'm the mayor and my bitch look like a flag girl. Topic of discussion, talk shit cause they bitches love us. Plus them niggas suckers, I got that in living color. All my cars are different colors, all my bras are different colors. All I do is fuck them once and I don't call or give them numbers. Rolex, mo, sex, good weed, no stress. Run my town, arms, chest, lift weights, bow, flex. Throw your setup, what you rep when you twisting your fingers. Real recognize real and my nigga you a stranger. Got a bank full of Skrilla, a brain full of papers. Got a phone full of hoes and a gang full of tailors. Taylor, gang. Taylor, gang. Taylor, gang. Taylor, gang. That was the long laugh for y'all bitch ass niggas. Gang. Taylor, yeah. Taylor, yeah. You know I'm rapping Taylor. Come here, Star. Cali, so you know I'm smoking flavor. Ain't fucking with bunch, you know we always smoking Davis. And I throw it up so they can know just what my game is. Motherfucker hater.
You see me out, I rep my gang. Used to serve that John McCain. that John McCain. Hold up, they don't know my name. Chevy, Chevy. Look at all the shit them dollars do. Getting all this money with you know who. It's Taylor gang over you. We popping bottles, gang signs. All my niggas gang signs. Rolling up, gang signs. Niggas tripping bang time. Hold up, what they say about us. Same niggas gotta get the okay about stuff. They ain't in the same league, they don't play like us. No sticks, no seats, keep that rolled up. Bang on them hoes, we does that. Socket work, I just had a plug for that. Get your Taylor on, hope whatever you rap. Throwing up the game 4800, still repping the set. Got these niggas tripping, and these bitches too. They just hate us though, no matter what we do. What up, cuz? On the left side, it's Taylor gang, and that's or die. Chevy.
Taylor gang, 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 Taylor gang.
You know I'm rapping Taylors. On my way from Cali, so you know I'm smoking flavors. Ain't fucking with punching bag, we only smoking papers. And I throw it up so they can know just what my game is. Motherfucker haters.
You stupid motherfucker! Tell them where you from!
Motherfucker, come get some.